In this video, we'll walk you through setting up the HubSpot Connector. This feature lets you seamlessly link HubSpot with Beefree, combining HubSpot's powerful marketing tools with Beefree's flexible email and landing page design suite. With this integration, you'll have complete control over every aspect of your marketing campaigns. So here's how to connect HubSpot to Beefree. Before we export our email, let's make sure we've added a subject line and pre-header, as this information will be passed to HubSpot upon export. Now that we've done that, we can click the export button in the top right corner of the builder. In the pop-up menu, let's click Push to your sending system, and then select HubSpot. Next, we'll need to sign in with our HubSpot account. Once we've entered our email address and password, we can click Login. If you have a Marketing Hub Enterprise subscription with the Business Units add-on feature enabled in HubSpot, you'll be hit with a separate modal that allows you to choose which business unit to send your email to. This makes it easy to organize emails by different departments or brands within your company. Now, it's important to mention that to send emails through HubSpot, you need to include specific mandatory merge tags. Without them, you'll see an error message during export. Now, merge tags are placeholders that allow you to add personalized details like a customer's name or company directly into your emails and landing pages. HubSpot requires the inclusion of certain merge tags to ensure each email is personalized, properly formatted, and meets their standards. Now, you can easily add these merge tags to your email designs in Beefree by going to the text toolbar, clicking Merge Tags, then HubSpot, and once you've added all the required merge tags here, your email will export to HubSpot smoothly without any issues. If you want to learn more about how to use HubSpot merge tags in Beefree, we've created a super helpful video that I've linked in the description. Okay, great. We're now connected. To view our email template in HubSpot, we just need to click this link here. In HubSpot, we can see that our email has been delivered successfully. It looks great, and our subject line has been transferred over as well. Now, if we want to view this email in plain text view, we can select the toggle here in the top right corner. Beyond clicking the link in Beefree, we can also access our exported email in 3 different locations within HubSpot. Let me show you where. The first place we'll find our email is inside the marketing email section. We can navigate there from the HubSpot dashboard by selecting Marketing, then Email, and voila, our exported email is sitting at the top of our email list here. Let's click on it. In this section, we can edit the name of our email by clicking the text here. In the top navigation bar, we can change any settings relating to our email as well as send it. The second place we'll find our exported email is inside the Design Manager. To get there, we can navigate to the Edit tab and select Design, Actions, and then edit this template. This will open the Design Manager. This is where we have the flexibility to modify our email's HTML code. By clicking the Preview dropdown, we can quickly view our email from the customer's perspective, whether they're viewing on a phone, tablet, or computer. It's important to mention that it's not possible to send our email from the Design Manager. Now, if we close our email, we can easily find it again by searching for it, scrolling through the Beefree folder, or going to View Recently Edited Files to browse the emails we just imported. The third place you can find your exported email is when you're creating an email using a custom template. This is done by heading to Marketing, Email, clicking Create Email, choosing an email type, let's go with regular for this example, and then we can jump into the Custom tab. It's here we'll be able to search for our email from the list of saved templates. Let's give our email a name. We can call it Mark Test Email, and then hit Create Email. All right, we're all set. We've now created a brand new email using the Beefree design we just exported. And so our HubSpot connector really does give you the flexibility to quickly find and use your exported emails in all the different ways you need, saving you countless clicks and putting precious time back in your pocket. If you're looking to create a campaign using your exported email template, it only takes a few steps to set up. Let me show you. From the HubSpot dashboard, select Marketing, then Campaigns. Next, click Create Campaign, and then start from scratch. Then move to the bottom and hit Next. We can give this campaign a name. Let's call it Mark Test. And once we add the rest of the details below, we can hit Create. Now that the campaign is created, go to Add Asset. We can use the search bar to find our exported template. There it is there. And so we'll need to select it and then hit Save. And just like that, our email has been added to this campaign. Now, if we want to make any changes to it, we can click Edit to open the editor. Now we're ready to change our email settings, set up automations, or simply send our email campaign to our intended audience. If you need to make changes to your email, we definitely recommend doing so in Beefree. Simply edit your email as needed in the builder, and when you're ready, export it just like before. By selecting Update Existing, you can effortlessly overwrite the current email draft in HubSpot, avoiding any duplication. However, if you'd prefer to keep a backup of the original, you can always choose to create a new email draft instead. Next, let's talk about how you can import your HubSpot merge tags into Beefree. Inside HubSpot, merge tags are called personalization tokens. Beefree lets you quickly import and sync the custom tokens you've set up in HubSpot so your content stays accurate and up to date with less effort. There are two ways to do this. The first way is to go to Settings and click Sync with Connectors to import merge tags from your HubSpot account. If your account is already connected, you can refresh your merge tags to bring in any new personalization tokens from HubSpot. Since Beefree doesn't automatically detect changes in HubSpot, refreshing manually is an important step anytime a new token is added to HubSpot. Now, the second way you can sync your HubSpot merge tags is within the builder. In the toolbar, click on Merge Tags. Then in the pop-up modal, select Sync Merge Tags. Once synced, you'll see all your HubSpot merge tags ready to use in your workspace, making personalization easy. HubSpot also makes it easy to track and host landing pages created in Beefree. To do so, we'll need a Marketing Hub Professional or Enterprise HubSpot account. To ensure the HubSpot connector is set up correctly, you'll need to grant the following user permissions under Marketing Access in your HubSpot account: read, write, and publish access to landing pages, and all other permissions in the screenshot shown here. Once we've gone through the HubSpot connector setup, we can then export our landing page in the exact same way we just showed you for emails. Inside HubSpot, our page will be available as a template. To access it from the dashboard, just head to Content, Landing Pages. From here, we can create a new landing page using our template simply by clicking Create and then Landing Page. Choose your website in the drop-down menu, and then we need to give this page a name. So let's call it Mark Test. Then we'll hit Create Page. And in this section, we'll need to find our exported landing page template by scrolling down to Other Templates and searching for our page. There it is there. And now we just need to click Select Template. Okay, great. We can also access our page as an HTML file by typing in Design Manager in the search bar and then opening the application here. Inside the Design Manager, we can easily search for our page and open it up like so, or find it housed within a dedicated folder called Beefree. Okay, that's it for this video. With our HubSpot connector, you can fully customize your email and landing page designs while making your team's workflow smoother and more efficient. So focus on getting creative with Beefree and let our HubSpot connector handle the rest. Thanks for watching.